Welcome to AISTech 2025. It is day number one, just after setup here, and we are walking the main hall, the entrance to the main hall rather. Lots of vendors set up here on the outside, which is super cool. This is new for AIST, at least for me. I haven't seen the main hallway have vendors as well, which I think is a great little change and gives you something to look at right before you enter the main exhibition here to my right. As we walk over, you're going to be met with our lovely 2025 sponsor board, and GMB Heavy Industries, of course, is here this year, as always, at booth 2157. And if you look very, very closely, it's a proud moment for us at GMB. It's an honor to be here and to continue to work with AISTech and to meet all of our fantastic customers and customers-to-be. GMB Heavy Industries. It's a gorgeous site. Lots happening on the inside there on day number one. It is absolutely bustling with tons of people. Exhibitors are all set up and ready to go as well. And the main hallway is a great place to start. So if you do come by, first of all, check out everyone here. It's a great place and obviously really enjoyable. You get to learn so many cool things from different vendors and exhibitors and such out there. And most importantly, please come to booth 2157 and check out GMB Heavy Industries. We are your one-stop turnkey steel mill solutions provider. Anything you need, mostly on the finishing end of the mill, whether it's cooling beds, bottom ends, top ends, entry trough, feed trough, spares, replacement parts, you name it, GMB is your place to be. We also offer engineering services, and that's what makes us turnkey. Not only do we engineer, we manufacture, we install, and we support you after our installations to make sure your steel mill and the equipment we provide continues to run strong and hard for years and years to come. And with that, again, please do check us out. We work really hard every year to get here, and your visit to us absolutely means the world. So thank you so much for joining us, and until next time, maybe a day two update, maybe later on today, we'll catch you on the backside. Take care.